coding. Na said ye my from eti hey. Abusua wo me mabo abrimu no. Na bode ne beba mebo abrewa popotwa. Menyini poso me simbe dwire gu. Me tiri hu betutu. Nyankopon ebe frɛ me akɔnni nyamu. Na menya kodu abisa me sɛ oba afia gina manim na memu waten. Ukọ wiase koye den. Na maka che ne sɛ me koye delay show. Betoto bomb go TV so. E trendy ye, e jidin. Madofo ani giye. Matamfo so no ensate ya. Na maka sɛ mo akwa part nkafo. Wako akoko enkoden. Ko na koda Abraham ekoko. Ebe de say
Ebusia formo makwaba de ba Xposed na ye bo ne dey meni edition na ene say delay akọ interview Hajia Bintu na Hajia Bintu no interview me na no as me share interview ni wie no I was like oh Hajia Bintu like upon the tune ni na no fo no ni na just say boni din dia tuo na ni but Hajia Bintu is not smart at all to my liking.
Make you so as a phone. When was the first time you had that experience?
Let's say 18, yeah.
The time when I call a waitress now.
Me secondary school, me koye adwuma PGC. Me jai PGC adwuma and I call back home. And I'm going to makeup.
Into free makeup na akọ Koforidua. And after Koforidua no, osan back to Enfa, efie.
Na me be rent wo Pantai.
What did fie sing? 22 years. This was how many years ago?
2 years ago.
Into we enche biasa. Into time I who TikTok so na adimia. Now you school ni. Okay, and about Pantai. There then 2-bedroom then.
No. Single room self-contained.
School we na we adwuma bi.
Me and then I mean adwuma.
Into edan ho na han ma.
Me savings kana me nya o ma mo kana me dey.
Oh, tell this story to the birds. Me, I'm not buying it.
Oh,
my me send on the bema adu kon hand and say
no, say me was school until nkaka kra. Say me nyeska me ndin nyina.
Okay.
Because Ghana ne on obia ne hustle, obia wade a oya odididi anaso odinya ne daily bread. Obia okwan ofaso a de open ne inside den eka. As a matter of fact, delay no cry no ati won no so okwan a ofaso a odinya ne nyoma odo running in business odi ye ni bibia. Yenim say nche bia na Hajia Bintu ba limelight eso na oba with so many kind of saying influence near the idea I don't know Ghana is the only country so what to a celebrity or soft ass and that's all soft buttocks a celebrity the here they say for to about social media you get followers, you get subscribers, you get likes. Obia ni ji etuo ho enim se etuo de ye etuo ji aman etuo ebo akwan enu bi ene ye sister Hajia Bintu
I say ye video na wada ne woto ahwe camera wo do shape wo che motive na kasan ye den
my dream is so
why being me so
na me me video nyese bia ma shada na me pese but that is who I am.
Showing your butt,
not showing my butt, it's part of my body. Me honam. So
okay, so
maybe a betre.
Part of your body, and so we try osro nkwana. What mean try osro nkwana?
On except nye de be na me try like
but mostly you can't Hajia Bintu. The first thing that comes to your mind, wotoana. I'm sure you know.
Oh yes, I know.
Exactly, because you've been pushing the narrative for a long time. Say me tuni o mo mehwe wana. There must be a reason why I bought Hajia Bintu. I want to have been about him first.
Oh, there's no reason.
Oh, because you've been what they are saying.
Because also, when I started the TikTok videos, I didn't even know say it will blow.
Okay.
Did you get it? And then it wasn't training. Me followers, me likes until one video. So me yes that video there quite. And I thought so maybe because of that video. So let me.
And so which video?
One video be.
So one video, no video.
Na me share is it pink skirt?
I would do a name today.
Yeah, my name tray.
Anyway,
And I'm too. And I'm
Exactly.
saying, yes, that particular video. No.
I call you.
I call
And
you.
I won't say I call.
who say
Into who push here to narrative never come on.
Yes, I'm a narrative. Who said I'm saying I'm a more.
Into who say a 20 moment, remember, need you want to be you so no more. And it's all better more of like a sex symbol, I'm sure you know.
Yeah.
Into a no so no, who is saying.
I'm living my life.
You're living your life. Into the fact that people see you and they see sex and all, like you don't see it as anything. It's okay. It's normal.
I mean, Obebia is a sex symbol, you know.
Okay. Obebia is a sex symbol. Sir. Also for my maybe Jina how a sex symbol. No, so for my maybe Jina how. Also for my.
So far as
Joyce Maya preacher, she's a sex symbol. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
No, what I'm trying to say is so far as Oyo Banko idea, you should also cycle wide and say we a sex symbol.
I'm not a sex symbol. Me, I'm not. I don't want to be.
You don't?
Not at all.
Okay.
Now with this interview with Delane, Huni said she wasn't smart to my liking with her answers, no demand Delane, because it's like interview no offer as there onim dioka onim like I don't know say delay the only interview na say one mo ni anye dia now one dey be over and sure the odi be your set no so nkra we be talk so at as here dia be answer tum say no be nso na Hajia Bintu dia I don't know and I can't tell because delay busa o say after can say uni no ukorenti ukorenti single room self-contained na ebusa so nya sika wen ana odi renti ya to me no yenim say Ghana ha no de say am di kan no bia okwan fa so hedin enya ne nyoma you being smart no umay hu say usua makeup ansa na wo school and we have students am wo school mu a omiye ejuma so ti as students omiye ejuma obi go school but obo ye business obo a ne hostel no kra no ne mini fridge esi won mu no wato drinks mu a otoma ni colleagues ebo the Pepsi ashim or the Coke ashim otoma ni colleagues a onya na mfaso there are students omato this printing machine like they print him say they are school ayeko no ye my assignment ye my nyoma their colleagues in print so no ma jom sika ebim so ha they sell phones buy and sell ebim sell dresses near there but the moment that delay busan so nye sika when the currency I don't know say ton so say then say we sika ma me the ma no na we save e the rent we all we know say is here so dan bo akra ha na dey forget enye omon krapom ye ejuma krapom they are finding difficult to rent and I say they are finding difficult with their landlords in Nyama. But as a student as well renting that means that you are trying to tell us say oh my millions and as more billions in school okay fine maybe if I'm a man saska but there are so many ways she could just bet me answer question where like Obia won't say challenge she's smart or something because me ejuma and savings my save I also save sika kra me am save na fin school no me share makeup na me makeup my students ejiska me say okay baby because answers or the man delay no na answers no so after single room you told us say movie to two bedroom so we know say as a student only at that time and as a student we didn't afford that okay say adverts about adverts a week 500 how many times never a week we are not here to calculate but we are expecting much smart answers from Hajia Bintu.
No let you be keep going
Adverts I mean Snap TikTok promo those things.
Okay what's na move for how long
1 year
and I move coin
Adenta
and I what's na one so what's na for how long
1 year
and it's not a single room sir
2
she said oh ko enim and I free 2 rooms in Adenta and I wo kotana
Adjungano
East Legon how many rooms
3
and oh ko enim pa and 3 rooms na if you an apartment another
apartment
what are now rented
my renting
oh she's not smart upon all the ass all the ambassadorial deals near that means she's a type she really needs management because if this is how she go about her, then it's like ultimately fine your ma NC. So I say because also right now currently in so East Legon Hajia and the label say, hey, from 2-bedroom Adenta to East Legon Hajia, how are you affording? Because we have businessman. If you got East Legon crown, your mouse single room crown, I forget single self-contained. I beg you, and yet 600, and yet 700,000 plus. We all know your organ had, I know they are no credit me, it's about 1,000 plus. But I say it's East Legon 3-bedroom apartment. You don't know what to say. Yebusa say, hey, 500, 700. And we all know say East Legon, most of them they pay in dollars or they take their money in dollars. If you can put Tesla no higher, can put Tesla no crown, there is no way I will put Tesla. You're there dime amount in cities. They take in dollars. How much more East Legon? Did they say 9,000 and or say yeah somewhere? No. 3-bedroom 1,000 East Legon. Oh, Hajia Bintu. Why? Why? What are you trying to tell? What are you trying to tell us? How can you tell us this story? East Legon, 3-bedroom, 1,000. No. My sister, Debbie. I don't know. Say interview, no. She wasn't prepared, and I say like, no, you're ready for it to say because you should know. Say delay now only no kwakoye that interview, and you should be ready for everything because delay obebusa. Or no before crowd be basu no crowd. Why you on research? I gather own information. So anything that question be obebusa no crowd, she already knows the answer. So you can't tell the crowd was shocked. Say Seria ne that Seria ne that. Like why? Because chain kwine say if 1,000 or the chain landlord no as the said chain landlord no name so ja yes you come 1,000 NG 3-bedroom because Ghana have no 3-bedroom.
Will you accept say we a slave queen? Because you can't slave queens or Ghana hire you didn't come into what you have to men also swana.
Slave queen asking.
Say you can't slave queen and you don't need to take a dictionary. You know who a slave queen is in Ghana.
But in Ghana.
You can't top 5 slave queens for Ghana. There's nowhere within them.
Hey, sir. But
I'm sure you know.
I mean, Obia won a definition for slave queen.
What's your definition of slave queen?
I mean, looking good, dressing, looking good.
Dressing, looking good.
Making sure so you're always on point. That's my definition for slave queen.
Okay. So are you a slave queen?
Yeah, because I always look good.
Okay. And slave queens are mostly known as Emma. They look the part, but they don't really like to put in edumadin. They don't like the hustle.
Oh, really?
It won't be some influencer. Oh, me try picture me say. And no edumadin.
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 Pan.
Taking pictures no.
Pan.
And showing your body no.
I mean, taking pictures and showing your body. So, unya deals frame. I mean,
deals to say
clothes, hair, grants bar around.
And to see come the man enough find them out a month we can hide down what East Legon 3-bedroom because I mean say ajenga no they took in dollars ana.
Eh, patch me trying dollars. So a snobiane deal to me chair.
Which about 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 Ghana. Any location men are ajenga no. Ability dying 3 bedrooms is expensive.
Oh really?
Of course.
And I made a sa.
Any agents no find number may you never see hand down ajenga no 3 bedroom for 1,000 Ghana a month.
Wait be.
Yes, so call Nigeria and Don Jazzy ekoye video man no so call viral. When I introduce you man.
Oh, I am madam for. Instagram
no share. On a DM. On a DM. Okay. Until oko ne nchen. O share that call na okoye wade o Nigeria na akọ ne nchen.
Okoye mad.
Okoye wade. Dey na akoye. Nigeria business be na o.
Let me go skit.
Who just get? Obi na invite you.
Yeah, only invite him.
When invite you?
Mr. Macaroni.
Okay. And what the file called Don Jazzy. And I bet to internet to say if you Don Jazzy ho buy I'll be Benz. So movie.
I will be here.
Into make and I see me na make us.
Oh, na ya. So can I am Mr. Some guys my baby Benz.
So be yi na.
What if the number one son am your Nigeria?
Into woman musical no the man kaka na say we to Benz maybe.
Me sika like me masevia to and I'm
from them.
Me started influencing kaka na jails near bank.
And what me nya fan milk, enya choco, enya way to Benz.
Oh yeah, you can.
Also, Benson yana $700. Like the rent.
Oh no. So we post instant ads Snap. Now me 500 cedis. Imagine say me post 5 and I fancy 10 a day. A week a month and near instant. They are coming by. So
it doesn't mean say Mercedes near Odia.
Aye.
Or is it going to be another story? Yes, say media the next minute will say na media but obi agency na enye media bio. Ya titi bia wo program so.
Yeah.
Is it truly yours?
Yes.
Odia. Ewo ho. And na Jaguar no so aye.
Jaguar na me swap de eto Mercedes.
Now ni ma akra 3 bedroom ye saying. Kutubabi 3 bedroom ye saying. Mamobi 3 bedroom ye saying. Choco 3 bedroom saying not East Legon 3 bedroom. How can you tell us this story, Hajia Bintu? Hey! So me that my opinion is it's either she wasn't ready for the interview, or she didn't prepare for the interview, or she is not smart. Because we are not here to judge you or to blame you. We are in Ghana. We know the economy. We know how things are going. Into beer or coin of faswa or the year in your beer or coin of faswa name sadi can in your mouth. So what you say? It's then as you all know when your ambassadorial deals be brave, fan nice, fan more chocolate then like there are so many as a matter of fact social handles so no osanso ads or mouth in your so why can't you just tell us maybe there are deals ambassadorial deals are involving a house or an apartment or something. So we were expecting to ABR my Instagram no there was this deal me and me and me na is part of it. So they'll pay maybe they pay half, I'll pay half, or maybe this. You went to Nigeria, Nigeria, buy so about we talk just how like what if say what to answer na okay fine. Buy from Jaguar, buy when I was signed from Jaguar to Mercedes Benz. And yes so buy maybe you went on Nigeria on a purpose. Explain like deal with macaroni no there is money involved. Buy bia o sika onya na so na the toy. Share Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy is a big man, definitely or probably wait me out attitude will be no betin am be. You went there for a business. So you should be bold with your answers and you should know what to say. As a matter of fact, 20 plus or early 20s, you are not a kid. And so we were expecting like answers. I don't know, cause it's like Ferry, she was down, I don't know. So therefore when in somewhere na e boa me dey ebe to ja Xposed no ni gusu a ohwe we sanso nyawe e wo NA media aha and I'm the Messi. What's your opinion about this news I made abere ho no e den na okafa ho subscribe like na share makra mu nyina bye bye.